put in 2 dots to go back up 1. And we're going to make directory. Next one. This may be very short. I just plan on doing problem set 0. And then, yeah. It's called Playback. Change directory, Playback. And then, I mean, that first one was pretty quick. We're going to say code.playback.py. Okay, what's going on here? Some people have a habit of lecturing rather quickly. It's nice to slow them down. LS 7.5 playback speed, even if they're having a pause in between. A program that prompts the user for an input. Okay, so we need a message which is equal to input. And then replacing each space with 3 periods. So we need replace each space with a period. So then if we go to built-in types, scroll down, is upper, remove R, there's a replace. Okay, so then we can come in here and we can go msg.replace. Okay, so that's going to find every single space and replace it with an ellipses. And all we need to do then is just print. I mean, this is the simplest and fastest way of doing it. We don't need an additional variable or anything like that. So let's see what happens. Playback. Pi. What does it say for testing? You type this is CS50. Okay. Press the up arrow. Hit return. This is our week on functions. Okay, and then do it again. Let's implement a function called hello. Okay. Shift insert will bring that back in. Type in playback. Okay. Wow, that's been